we're making ravioli. A friend requested this via Google Hangouts. I said, sure, we'll make some ravioli. Why not? There are some other ones we're considering. We've been talking about. We haven't forgotten you guys, but you know, some of them take a little more planning and talent. We're gonna make mushroom ravioli. We're gonna make crab ravioli. We're gonna make crabioli. We're using a recipe for the crabioli filling from Bon Appetit. This recipe sucks. It's all words.
Oh no.
Melt butter in a non-reactive saucepan over moderate heat. How much butter?
Non-reactive saucepan?
I don't know what that means. I'm gonna just melt it in this.
Sounds like something we don't got.
Half a tablespoon of butter. Half a tablespoon of butter. Tablespoons here. It's just half a tablespoon. This is what it looks like when you put butter into a not heated pan.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like it.
So we're gonna melt this over medium. Melting.
Oh! If we had Rizzo, he'd just hop right on there and skate around.
From Greece?
No.
Add flour and cook, whisking for 30 seconds. Oh, I guess that's why they wanted us to do it in a pan. Into flour. Alright, yeah, half tablespoon of butter. Supposed to whisk it in, but this is not a whisking situation. Just take a wooden spoon and we're gonna. Okay, so the next step is let that cool. So we'll turn this off. It says fold the stuff into that. We're gonna, I guess I could do that. This is the crab. What the?
Good lord.
Oh, it now. I knew it was gonna happen. Alright, so what are we gonna do? I got a hammer right there?
Here, hold the camera.
Holding the camera. I get to hold the camera now. Matt's searching for a tool. I already said hammer, so I guess I can say it. Matt's searching for a hammer. Alright, hammer. Okay.
Oh. Here.
Here we go. Because I didn't get any green onions, so I'm going to do some shallots. A little shallot action, because I did get shallots.
We got some scallions growing outside, right?
You want to use this?
I don't know.
There's got to be some right around here. Right here.
Or whatever.
Half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. One teaspoon. Got that fresh tarragon, boy. I'm just gonna chop it up. Salt. I don't know how much to put in. I think that much. Oh, I can't see this stuff.
Is that pepper?
This is white pepper.
Put it in your hand first.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now that we've done that. The crabioli was Matt's idea, so I guess you get to taste the crabioli filling.
Yeah, you want to taste it?
Yep.
It's okay. Taste of grass. It's pretty good.
Oh, that's not too bad.
What?
That's one filling down.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Okay, so the duxelle they say is going to take me, I think it's 10 minutes.
What is it called?
Duxelle?
Duxelle.
Oh, okay, I guess I should talk about that a little bit. I'm going to be doing a mushroom ravioli, but for my mushroom filling, I'm using the French duxelle, which is a sort of like a mushroom. I don't know, it tastes delicious. It's the stuff that goes into beef Wellington.
Ah, okay.
It's a layer in the beef Wellington. So, 8 ounces of mushroom. We got 16 ounces.
So half.
No, I'm going to do double. Because this stuff tastes good just on toast. It tastes good on a spoon. Just right
tastes good.
Quarter cup of shallot, thyme, kosher, salt, black pepper, which you have, vermouth or sherry. I got sherry. I went sherry route. This is the cooking wine sherry. It's not. This is from a grocery store.
Is that your drinking sherry?
I mean, you could drink it. It's not going to kill you. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of butter. Back to the butter. So we're going to need 4 because I'm doubling the recipe. About half a stick of butter. Half a cup of chopped shallot. Three tablespoons of thyme chopped. And with thyme, you just use the leaves. How much? 3? 3 what? 3 tablespoons. Holy mackerel.
Dang.
I mean, this is what we're using. I'm not getting more. So a half cup of sherry. Finely chopped mushrooms in food processor.
It's not plugged in.
It's looking pretty juicy. We got some cheesecloth that we have left over from our maple video.
Oh boy.
It's got such a strong mushroom smell.
Yeah, it does.
No.
Oh, mushroom soup.
Oi! We're gonna melt some butter. Bam! Because I'm gonna mince all this business here together. Add this and that to the business.
To the business.
Alright, so we had a recording error problem. What I did was I added the mushrooms into the pan with the shallots and the butter. And I also added in the half cup of sherry. And we're cooking it to reduce down to sort of, we're getting pretty close. It was very watery. And now, once it gets to a little bit more dry, we'll pop it into the bowl, and then you have to go get olive oil.
What kind of sauce are you gonna put on the pasta?
I think for both of these, you could do a cream sauce or like a brown butter sauce.
What kind of mushrooms are those?
Cremini. Or baby shiitake. But they're really called cremini.
Whatever will become of our intrepid heroes? Find out next time on Jackson No Tree.